Welcome again to my another video. In this video, we will learn how to extract the 2D drawing, means DWG drawing from Naviswork. So maybe it will help many users who want to extract the drawing without using the Smart Sketch or your E3D draft module. So let's jump into the procedure. So first of all, first of all, we have to select the uh, Naviswork, whatever item we want to extract, and then we will select hide unselected. So this will hide all the unselected part. So what we will get the clean view, whatever we want to extract. So in this, then we will go to export and export to FBX. So okay, then give the path where you want to extract the FBX file. So it will take some time, depend upon the quantity of data you want to extract. I have taken a small data to explain you. So now you go to the path and uh, open it into the microstation. Remember, this will open into the microstation latest one or either the connect version. V8i it will not work. There is some problem in with V8i. So you just open with the microstation and it will open like this. Then you can select the view, pan view, side view, whatever you want to put for the extraction or the ISO view you want to extract. So you put the view. I am using the side view for the to explain you how to extract the side view. So then you go to the file, export, and then HLN, and we will remove the smooth edges. Take with that remove some smooth edges and export to 2D file. We will select and then export. Then give the path where you want to export your HLN file. HLN file is basically your 2D flattened file. So from the 3D, we are extracting the 2D file first of all. So it will remove the smooth edges in which many lines will come. So it will export and then we will go and open the HLN file where we have saved that HLN file. So if you will see now, your view option will hide from the your microstation. So it will not show you the view, plan view and side view. That means your file has been exported to the 2D format. You can see in the toolbar it is not coming. Then we will again go to the export and DWG. So it will give you us the clean view in the DWG format. Let's open the DWG file, how it is coming out. Let's see. So we will open it into the AutoCAD. See, we get a clean view in AutoCAD, how we used to get in Smart Sketch and other 2D draft modules. So let's uh, begin how to cut the view elevation wise. I will show you. This is the side view, and if the structure we have to cut the elevation wise, I will show you that also. Let us see. Again, we will open the FBX file which we have saved earlier. So then we will take the side view and we will go to the clip volume view into this tools, clip volume tools. We will select the second one and we will click on the view. It will give you the handles. Handle will get activated. You can drag the handle to the elevation to which you want to extract. All the four handles will be there, up, down, side, everything you can just customize as per your requirement. I am just showing you the one view. This is the side view. Now we see the ISO view. ISO view is also coming clean. So whatever view you will keep and export to the HLN, that view will come into the 2D format. So let's see, we want to export the plan view. Then the same procedure, export to HLN, 2D, then remove the smooth edges, tick, and then export. You want to preview also, you can preview. It will show you the preview, but I am directly exporting it. You can give the path. Let's say it is a plan view. So HLN export has been done. See, it has already cleaned into the microstation itself. Let's open the HLN file. HLN file will be opened with the 2D flattened file, and then we will export again the same procedure. We will export again into the same AutoCAD format. Export. We'll go to the export, then DWG. This will give us the AutoCAD format. If we will not convert into the HLN, this whatever the smooth edges will be giving us the many lines. So to remove those, we are converting into the HLN, and we are ticking the remove smooth edges option. See, this plan view have came out. Okay, so you can use in your layout now. And you can cut the elevation, you can cut the half of the structure, whatever you want to show, you can show into this. So let me show you how to cut the elevation. Let's say if I have to show the half elevation of anything, so we will click on the handle will get activated, and I am cutting the structure into half, and then I will go to the side view to activate the full view, and I will show you how this structure will get cut it into the half. See, this structure got cutted into the half. You can use it in any way you want to export. So you can easily extract anything you want. So that's it, guys, from my side. And you can use it in in many ways. You can explore the view way you want to use it. If you find any problem, just leave your comments into the comment section, and I will try to resolve it. Do like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys. We will meet in next video. Thank you.